Yo, what's going on, guys? Chris with Edge Body, back again for another workout of the day. Working those Manic minutes again, but this time lower body. 4 different lower body exercises: squats, lunges, sumo squats, and side lunges, all designed to be done with a dumbbell inside your home or at the gym. Let's set it up. Start it up. Dumbbell squats. Hold them right up here on top. Chest up, core tight, squatting down and back up. All the way down, all the way up for the entire 60 seconds. Keeping your core tight and shoulders back the entire time, squeezing your glutes on the top. Second exercise, reverse lunges. Stay up tall, leg back behind you. Lower that back knee to the floor, all the way up, and then switch your legs down and back up again. Continuing this motion for the entire 60 seconds. Now our third exercise is gonna be a sumo squat. 1 dumbbell or 2, your choice. Feet wide, outside of your shoulders, point your toes out. Hold the dumbbell wherever you feel comfortable at. Chest up, core tight, just like our regular squat. Lower down, tap the floor, up and back. Hitting the inside of those thighs just a little bit more. Performing each exercise for 1 minute. Now, keep your feet where they're at. This is gonna be kind of an archer lunge type of variation. Keep them out. Let's start on one side. You're gonna bend your knee, shoot your hips behind you. Side, stay low, and go side to side with your side lunge variation. Continuing to move side to side for the entire 60 seconds. Always chasing quality reps over the clock. So there's your 4 exercises. Goal's gonna be 4 cycles through. Feeling like a savage, go for 5 cycles. Straight through your 4 exercises, 2-minute rest, hit it up again. Give it a shot and let me know what you think. Peace.